There's a baby bird in this box. You hear him. Injured on the ground slightly. Can't fly yet. Parents are somewhere. But there's an ambulance coming for this little one in here. I'm just gonna open it. There. There. Yeah. It's a bit scared. Yeah. You couldn't see it, but there's a bit on the wing that's a bit injured. I'm fully putting this on YouTube. Yeah, baby, you'll be fine. There are people coming for you to make sure you're okay. That's on there to make sure that it doesn't escape, but it's not going to jump out our rail. No. Bye-bye.